everyone, welcome back to the MeekFro channel. You're watching youtube.com/MeekFro. I am here with another wig review brought to you by SAMSBEAUTY.com. SAMSBEAUTY.com sent me this wig right here. She is by Sensationnel. Yes, her name is April. April is in a color Sombre 4703. And we are going to take her out of the box. There is the model. Okay. Heat can be put on this wig up to 400 degrees. This is a lace front wig. You can already tell that the lace is going to be a little irritable. It's like medium soft. It's not the softest. So, see that? On the inside of the wig, 2 combs. There is the part. See that there? That's the only parting you have. And then you have another comb in the back with adjustable straps. Okay. It's dark at the bottom. That's how long it is. And then you've got your cute little honey blondes at the top. Curls are gorgeous. I have not combed this unit out or anything. That's how the curls look. Tight curls at the bottom. More loose at the top. Love it. My hair is not completely flat, so I'm sorry, y'all. Look how pretty. Yes. Everything about this wig is yes. The structure. The curls. I'm loving it. It is beyond beautiful. Very light hair. Not too much hair up here on this unit. So it's great. It's perfect. Just a hair bit of shedding. There's not a lot, but this is a synthetic unit, so you already got the deal on that. You know that some synthetic units are going to shed. However, I do feel like as older this wig will get, the older it gets, it will kind of start to tangle. So you want to try to take a good care, really good care, if you want it to last as long as you need it to last. There is your part here. It's a curved hand-tied part. I'm just going to give you a 360 of this wig. And I love, 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 love a swoop bang. I heard that swoop bangs could alter your eyesight, do crazy things to your eyesight. If you wear it directly over your eye like this all the time, it does something to your eyesight. I think it makes one, eye stronger than the other or whatever. But if you wear it just a hair bit above your eye, I guess that's fine. But I love the swoop bang. I love it. I love how this goes out on this side, like just it's beautiful, really beautiful. I do think if the wig was completely one color, like this color here, that would be gorgeous, or completely this color here, that would be absolutely gorgeous. I believe so, absolutely. That is this wig. Sensational Empress lace wig called April. SAMSBEAUTY.com. Thanks for sending me this unit. This is beyond gorgeous. Yes, I love it. I said I had to stock back up on my kind of straight or curly straight wigs. You get what I'm saying? So start looking my age, you get what I mean? Because the curly hair and all that extra stuff, like the big afros and stuff, people tend to think that I'm younger than what I am. So it's kind of sad sometimes. So but I like this. You can maybe even style this low ponytail. Yes, girl, you better work. You better work. So far the lace is not too irritable right now, but you know you have to wear a wig for a certain amount of time, you know, throughout the day to see if the lace will in fact get on your nerves. But right now it's not. Now this area up here, kind of, if you could see how the streaks are going down, I would say that if this is in fact a sombre unit, it should not be made like this at the top. I would say that maybe this darker color here could have been like at the roots and then come down with these highlights, if that makes sense. I think that would have been perfect. It would have gave it a more natural appearance. Not completely natural, but it'll kind of, you know, give it a more natural look. A more weave sew-in look or quick weave look than a wig. That's all. Other than that, I really like this wig. The colors are perfectly blended in this area, and the bangs are so perfect. I love bangs like this, and the top portion of this wig, how it just comes out, love it. Yeah, that is it for this unit, you guys. It just was sliding through showing y'all what Sam's Beauty blessed me with. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, do find the link in the description box. Yes. So any questions or concerns, don't be afraid to hit the comment box. Also, like and share this video. Do it for your girl. Thanks so much. That is it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.